All right, there is also this. The Trump administration has until noon today to explain the details of the El Salvador migrant flights to a federal judge or submit a reason for not doing so. The judge, appointed by President Obama, is also facing impeachment efforts by some on the right. Former Deputy Assistant DHS Secretary Jonathan Fahey joins me now on all of this. Jonathan, good morning to you. So the latest on this is that the judge wants the Trump administration to answer a bunch of questions by noon today. How many people were on these flights? How many flights were there? Where did they land? But the point is that the Trump administration is now having to fight in court to get gang members out of this country. So legally, how do you see this playing out?
Yeah, that's a great point, that they are having to fight to kick out gang members. Here's how I expect it to play out. The Trump administration may lose the issue with this district judge who already seems predisposed to rule against them, but they're ultimately going to win in the appellate court and ultimately the Supreme Court if it goes that far, because this Alien Enemies Act gives the discretion to the president to make these decisions to decide if this is an alien incursion and to remove them. The whole purpose of the act was to do this without judicial review, without courts being involved. And, you know, I think the White House has discussed this. If they had to put every deportation of a gang member, of somebody that was invading our country, in front of a district judge, you couldn't even repel these people. And the very big point is all of this happened because the Biden administration flew all of these people in or brought them in from Venezuela, knowing that many of them were probably gang members and not even vetting for that. So they created this issue, and that was sort of part of the game, is to bring in so many people that deportation becomes just overwhelmingly burdensome. But ultimately, to your question, the Trump administration will ultimately win this issue because discretion is given to the executive branch in this type of issue, issues of war, issues of national security.
Yeah, and also on the deportation front, Jonathan, a Brown University assistant professor here on an H-1B visa has been deported after she traveled to Lebanon last month to attend a funeral for the leader of Hezbollah, Hassan Nasrallah, who is responsible for killing hundreds of Americans. DHS posted this on X, saying that she openly admitted to this to CBP officers, as well as her support of Nasrallah. A visa is a privilege, not a right. Glorifying and supporting terrorists who kill Americans is grounds for visa issuance and to be denied. This is common sense security. But there is going to be a legal fight for this woman's future. So how do you see this one playing out?
I think this plays out the exact same way, because the visa process, the discretion is given to the Secretary of State on issuing visas or revoking visas without judicial review. So ultimately, they will be successful. And think about what they're doing here. They're deciding not to admit someone because she had traveled abroad and was coming back. If they see ties to a terrorist organization or things like that, they have a national security responsibility to keep people like this out. And it is pretty remarkable. You see the support for her at Brown University and other places more broadly. And it's kind of funny that there's more support for people that support, terrorist organizations than there are for people that support Donald Trump or somebody like that, which is really disgraceful if you think about it.
Yeah, and Democrats have openly admitted that they're searching for a leader and a message. And from a messaging standpoint, over the past week, it has been that they're fighting to keep known gang members and Hamas and Hezbollah sympathizers in this country, which is not a winning strategy. Jonathan, got to leave it there. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
I'm Steve Doocy.
I'm Brian Kilmeade.
And I'm Ainsley Earhart. And click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis.